Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is a video to show you how to use Twitter to get directed followers and to your Twitter account and also to your blog and your website at the same time. Now here you can see our main Twitter information here, and at the time that we're making this we had over 2,100 followers. But that's not as important if you look at this graph that goes back over the last 3 months, and you see here how many followers we've been getting. And right here, this started tracking on July 5th. We had 936 followers. In 40 days since then, we added over 1,200 followers. Average growth rate was 173 followers per day. Now that's what's important. But more important than the number of followers is that they have to be directed followers. Followers that are gonna want or be interested in your product or service, or else you're wasting time. Now, in this example, we're going to show you a San Diego real estate agent's Twitter account here, and if you look at the time we're making this, this agent has 2,442 followers to his account at the moment. Now, since we set this up for the agent, we can tell you these are all directed followers, and I'm going to explain that to you in a minute. But also look down over here, and you could see here is the last tweet that he put out talking about the $10,000 for California homeowner estate credit, etc. So this is what he's putting out to his directed followers, his real estate information. Now let's take a look over here. Here you can see a graph, again, how his followers have been increasing here. And in right over here you can see that he's average growth rate was 259 followers per day, and they expected at that rate in 30 days he'd have over 13,000 followers. Again, they're directed followers, and that's what we're going to talk about here with this piece of software that kind of automates the whole process, runs in the background. You set it up and pretty much forget about it. There's a number of tabs here, but we want to keep this video short, so we're only going to show you this main tab, and this is what differentiates this software from a lot of other Twitter follower type adding software, because just to add people to follow you is going to be of no benefit really. So what this does, in the first box over here, you can put your keyword in here, and it would go search the database, and in any tweets, those are any of those little messages that people are sending out, if they're talking about, let's say, San Diego real estate, and you put that in here, it'll pick those up and add them over here to users to follow. Doesn't follow them all at once. You can set up how many to follow each day, so you slowly increase your following, and this way you don't get into trouble. And that's the benefit of this software. Now the second box is you can put in a keyword in here. Almost everybody on Twitter has a bio on there, which is little information about themselves, and almost in every bio the person's going to mention where they're located. So obviously if you're a realtor or you're a lawyer and you're located in San Diego, that's where you're going to get most of your traffic, from people in a close proximity to your office. So in here, the key word to put in here would be San Diego, because you want somebody, that's all the people you want, is the people in your neighborhood or in your city. Now a different way to go about that is down over here. You could put the name of the city, the state, the county, or the zip code right in here, and then set it up for who you want to find in there. And within 10 miles, 25, 50, 100 miles of that zip code, this will go into the database and pull people out. And the database is increasing every day, so you can do this search every day, and again it'll add them over here to people that you're going to follow at a slow rate per day. So that's really the beauty of this particular software. Now, let's take a look over here, if we can. And this is our blog site. If you want further information, and more importantly, a free trial of this software, and that's really the way to go. You know, try it out, see how it works, and test it for yourself. Just go to our blog over here, and we have a post about Twitter here on August 13th. But the one you want to look to, and if it's not right here on the front, when you go there, you can just use this calendar and go back to whatever month. But I want you to take a look at the post here that was on August 9th. And if you go to this post and you go to the bottom here, you'll see there's a couple of hyperlinks here where you can get the free trial of the software, and right here. And our blog address is websitetrafficbuilders.com and then /website traffic builders. So that's our blog site where you'll be able to get further information about this software, and we highly recommend it. And as you saw before, we use it ourselves. So if you want to get the traffic that we've achieved for ourselves, if you want to get more business through your blog, through your website, I think this is the best software out there. Appreciate you listening.